Hello guys, welcome to Eclassino. I only ask you, give 10 minutes and I will make sure, I'll guarantee that you will master algebra. I know many are afraid of algebra, but trust me, you have come to the right place. You are saved. But why is algebra so important? Well, first thing is almost any competitive exams nowadays or even in the past, there are always algebra questions. There are at least 3 to 4 questions. Now what is algebra? Well, it has nothing to do with zebra or any other animal, but I think it is related something with your x. But this x is mostly used in equations, expressions and value of variable. So going ahead, we have formulae and regular practice that is required for algebra. Okay, let's get serious. What do we have here? Remainder theorem. I'll try to keep it simple. So let's say f of x is a polynomial of degree n. So it can be quadratic equation or cubic equation or anything. So if someone wants you to divide it by x minus a and then ask you what is the remainder, then you can just calculate as f of a. So here we go. If they ask for f of x, which is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, and they ask us to divide by x minus 1, then we calculate remainder by calculating f of 1, that is 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1, that is 4. Now coming to the next part, you need to memorize lots of formulae in algebra. Here we go, bunch of formulae. To save your time, I'm not going to read all these things. Just take a screenshot. But yeah, you don't have to memorize everything. If you memorize everything with a plus b, you can just replace with minus b and you can memorize the remaining formulae. These are the other bunch of formulae, you need to memorize it. So I just hope you took the screenshots or you already know, that's well and good. Now that we are done with the conceptual part, we will move to the problems. Hi. If a star b is given as 2a minus 3b plus ab, then 3 star 5 plus 5 star 3. So we can calculate 3 star 5, that is 2 into a, that is 3, minus 3 into b, that is 5, plus a into b, that is 3 into 5. This is equal to 6 minus 15 plus 15. So this is equal to 6, right? Then they gave 5 star 3. So 2 into 5 minus 3 into 3 plus 5 into 3. 10 minus 9 plus 15. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 15, 16. So 16 plus 6 is the answer, that is 22. Next question. 1 plus 1 by x is x plus 1 by x. And the second equation, x plus 1, it goes here and it becomes x plus 2. X plus 1. Similarly, 1 plus 1 by x plus 2 is x plus 2 plus 1, that is x plus 3 by x plus 2. And the last one, 1 plus 1 by x plus 3, that is x plus 3 plus 1, x plus 4 by x plus 3. So cancel, 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 cancel. So this is x plus 4 by x. Next question. If a star b is 2 into ab, then what is 5 star 2? This is a repeated question. Don't select answer 10 in haste. You need to calculate, that is 2 into 5 plus 2, 7 into 2, 14. If x is whole root of root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1, then what is the value of 5x square minus 5x minus 1? what do we do? Should we substitute this x value in here and try to solve it? That is very bad method. So we need to square on both sides. Okay, so that will be x square equal to root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1. So we can factorize it, root 5 minus 1 with root 5 plus 1 by root 5 plus 1. So root 5 plus 1 whole square we will get in the numerator, that is root 5 whole square, that is 5, plus 1 square, that is 1, plus 2 into root 5, 1 into root 5, that is 2 root 5, by a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, again root 5 whole square, that is 5 minus 1. So what do we get here? 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So this becomes, we can get cancel 3, right? Sorry, 2, right? From both numerator and denominator, that will be 3 plus root 5 by 2, which is equal to x square. Got it? So we got the x square value. Now we need to calculate the value of x, which we got here itself actually. That is x square written in the form of root 5 plus 1 whole square by 4 we have written, no? 5 minus 1, 4. Yeah, this one. So we just transfer this 4 here, that becomes 2x whole square equal to root 5 plus 1 whole square. So from this we get x equal to root 5 plus 1 by 2, right? So we got x value and x square value. We can just substitute it. So 5 into 3 plus root 5 by 2, that is x square value, minus 5 into root 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is the final answer for us. So if you see 5 and root 5 by 2, 5 and root 5 by 2, it is minus. So this one and this one get cancelled. So we don't have to multiply. So sorry, there is by 2 here also, right? Yeah. So this will become 15 by 2 and this will become 5 by 2 and this will become minus 1. So 15 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 10 by 2, 10 by 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. This is very basic question. Whenever they ask the question, you can just replace the values by whatever they are giving in the denominator. So a by 3 plus 4, c by 7 by 7, 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. It's very simple. You just assume these all are equivalent to a letter k or something. Then a becomes 3k, b becomes 4k, c becomes 7k. So you are basically doing 3k plus 4k plus 7k by 7k. So k gets cancelled in all the cases. So this is what we finally get. Going to the next question. If the value of x lies between 1 and 2, then what is the value of x minus 1 whole square root and x minus 3 whole square? So we just need to figure out whether the number is going to be positive or negative when we are calculating the roots. So x anyway he said it will be more than 1, right? So here if it is x is more than 1, the result should be positive only. So plus x minus 1. Now x minus 3 whole square, but this is a negative number if x is less than 2, right? So we need to use minus x minus 3. So what does this become? Minus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 2. If 2p by p square minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4, then what is the value of p plus 1 by p? We can actually reciprocate the equation on both sides and try it actually. So it becomes p square minus 2p plus 1 by 2p equal to 4. This becomes p by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2p equal to 4. So we can take half common here. So half only for this and this case. So half p plus 1 by p. We got what we want here, minus 1 equal to 4. So this becomes 5. So p plus 1 by p equal to 10. If x is 0.5 and y is 0.2, then value of root 0.6 into 3y, y we know 0.2, that is 0.6, x is 0.5. So basically this is also 0.5, 0.6, 0.5 into 0.6, 0.5. So it becomes 1. So basically this is just 0.6. For what values of a is the expression x plus 1 by 4 root x plus a square a perfect square. So this has to be expressed in some roots. So let's try to express this in some quadratic expression. So this will be root x whole square this side, then 2 into, we get root x, but here they have given 1 by 4. So we need to place a number here in such a way that it becomes 1 by 4. So it becomes 8, right? Plus a square. Basically a square should be 1 by 8 whole square. Then only we can express this in perfect square form. So answer is 1 by 8. 5 power root x plus 12 power root x is equal to 13 power root x. Then what is the value of x? Well, if you practice enough problems, you can actually say these numbers 5, 12 and 13 are triplets of right angle triangle, Pythagorean triplets. So actually 5 square plus 12 square should be equal to 25 plus 144, that is 169, that is 13 square, yeah, that is 4. So best method is to substitute rather than going straight forward, because solving directly for x in this scenario is quite difficult without prior knowledge. X plus 1 by x is 5. So let's try to reciprocate and see. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 by 2x. So whatever answer we get, we need to reciprocate, don't forget that. So we got 3 by 2 common here. This becomes x, then here minus, so this becomes plus 1 by x. Leave the middle part, that will be minus 5 by 2. Okay, this part is 5. So 5 3 is a 15. 15 minus 5, 10. 10 by 2 equal to 5. But we need to mark the one which is reverse. Whenever you see these kind of questions, you can either try for verification if the numbers are easy. I mean, immediately let's check with 4. Here it will be 0, 0, then Yeah, it will be same, so we are not getting 4. So just ignore that part. Now try to solve it. But we can actually try with 9 or 5 also, because these are fractions. We cannot, we need to solve it if these are the answers, but with 5 we are getting here 9 and here we are getting 1, so which is easy to calculate. So that will be 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So we are directly getting the answer. So no need to solve, but if you want the actual method, basically we need to factorize the denominator. Then we get something like root x plus 4 plus root x minus 4 whole square by, in the middle we will be getting a square minus b square, so x plus 4 minus x plus 4. So we will be getting 4 plus 4, 8, which is equivalent to 2. So this will become 16 when 8 goes here. Then root of 16 is 4. So we got this plus this as 4. Now again you will be rationalizing this and finding finding denominator part similarly by rationalizing the numerator, and then you can solve it. It's a difficult method and it's not advisable to use this method. If 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 by root 48 plus root 18 equal to a plus b root 6, then what is the value of a and b are? So we can factorize it, but before factorizing, let's try to simplify it as much as possible. So it becomes, what does it becomes? 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 already given, right? Now root 48 can be written as, what it can be written as, 16 threes are, right? 16 threes are, that is 4 root 3. Is it 4 root 3? Yes. And then this is 18, that is 9 twos are. 9 twos are means 3 root 2, right? So basically when 4 goes inside it becomes 4 square, 3 goes inside it becomes 3 square, so 9 into 2 18, similarly 4 square, 16 into 3 48. So yeah, we simplified a bit, and this is equal to a plus b root 6. Now we can rationalize it, or I prefer rationalizing because when we multiply I think it becomes more complicated. So let's try to rationalize it. So we are multiplying with 4 root 3 plus 5 root 2 into 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 divided by 4 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square, right? Then what does this become? 4 root 3 into 4 root 3, that is again 48. Then 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 minus 12 root 6. 5 root 2 into 4 root 3, 20 root 6 minus 15 into 2. What is 15 into 2? 30 divided by 48 minus 18. So what does this become? We get in the denominator 30, the numerator 48 minus 30, 18, 20 minus 12, that is 8 root 6. We can still cancel it by 2, so it becomes 9 by 15 plus 4 root 6 by 15. So this becomes 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15 plus 4 by 15 root 6. This is equals to a plus b root 6. A plus b root 6, so this is a and this is b. The value of the expression, as I mentioned in the class, we need to find this value of expression, that is f of 16. So basically 16 power 4 minus 17 into 16 cube plus 17 into 16 square minus 17 into 16. Oh my god, just copying itself is taking a lot of time. Imagine if you do this in exam, 16 power. I mean, even if you do it, you will get the answer, but really, is it a right method to do? Definitely, this is absolutely wrong. Please don't try to substitute. It's not worth it. So, there is a method called remainder theorem. So, whenever you want to, f of x is a polynomial of degree n, and you divide it with x minus a, then remainder is f of a. So first we will see what is the remainder. Okay, so before doing that, first do this division. So coefficient of x power 4 is 1, x cube is minus 17, x square is 17, x is minus 17, and then the last constant is 17. So we need to divide it with 16. So basically we are dividing the above equation with x minus 16. So this is a method. We first take it 0, balance as 1, 16 1s are 16. Here we receive minus 1, again minus 16, we get 1, again 16, what do we get? Minus 1, then again minus 16, what do we get? 1 as the remainder. So the remainder is f of 16, that is 1. If x by y is equal to 3 by 4, you can literally take x as 3 and y as 4 in this case and try to solve it. So that becomes 6 by 7 plus 4 minus 3 by 4 plus 3. This becomes 1 by 7, that is 7 by 7, that is equal to 1. X square minus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1. Find the value of x plus 1 by x. Basic idea is whenever we see x square and x no, and they are asking x plus 1 by x no, somewhere if we divide it with x, definitely we will get, see here itself we will be getting x minus 1 plus 1 by x. See, x minus 1 plus 1 by x. Again here we will be getting x plus 1 by 1 by x. We are dividing numerator and denominator by x and x. So this is what we get. But he is asking for x plus 1 by x. Let's take this as some a, this whole value, okay. So here it will become a minus 1 by a plus 1, that is equal to 2 by 3. Actually you can straight away guess the answer, but let's solve it. 3a minus 3 equal to 2a plus 2. Now a equal to 5. That is the answer. A is x plus 1 by x. If x, y, z are real numbers such that x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square plus z minus 5 whole square equal to 0. So basically he is equating squares of three things. Let's say some a square, some b square plus some c square. He is saying the sum of this three results is 0. First we need to notice one point. When we are squaring anything, positive number or negative number, we always receive positive value. Similarly, positive value, right? Here also we receive positive value. So three positive values we need to add and it has to become 0. if there is a scenario where sum of three numbers can be 0, there has to be a negative number. 1 plus 2 minus 3 becomes 0. There is a negative number. But he is asking you have to use three positive numbers and you should get answer as 0. So only possibility is they all are equivalent to 0. 0, 0, 0. That is the only positive scenario in this case. So x minus 3 is 0. Y minus 4 is 0. Z minus 5 is 0. So we get x plus y plus z. So 3 plus 4 plus 5. That becomes 12. There you go. 2x plus 1 by 3x is 2x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 5. Find the value of 5x. So we will just divide it with x and see how it goes, and then we will try to reciprocate it also. So 6x square plus 20x plus 1 by, I am reciprocating it because it will be easy to understand for us. So let's divide it with x, or let's take the x to numerator. Then it becomes 6x plus 20 plus 1 by x by 5. So we have 2x plus 1 by 3x. So here we need to get 2x, here we need to get 3x. So how is it possible? 3 into 2. So we take 3 common here, for here and for this and this term we take 3 common, then it becomes 3 into 2x, right, plus 3 into, we decided to take it common, no? So we will just add it, plus 1 by 3x. So this is the first term and second term. We'll just add 20 as it is, and then we will divide everything by 5. Okay, now what do we have here? So anyway, they have given this value to us, that is 5. 15 plus 20 by 5, 35 by 5. We get 7, but initially we have reversed the numerator and denominator, so we should get answer as 1 by 7. What is the value of the expression? Oh, they have given a big expression. So yeah, I know everyone knows the answer, but I'll just show it. So we just take LCM. LCM we get a minus b into b minus c into c minus a, and the numerator we get a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube, right? And we all know that there is a formula which I told to remember, that is when a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc, when a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So in this case, to avoid confusion, let's take x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz, when x plus y plus z equal to 0. Here you can notice, you can take x as a minus b, y as b minus c, z as c minus a from here. Then what this becomes? This simply becomes x cube plus y cube plus z cube by x y z. So this becomes 3xyz by xyz. So it becomes 3. And coming to the derivation of this part, it is really not necessary for exam. Memorizing is more useful than actually deriving this in exam. So if you want derivation, you can just check it in internet. it will be there for your satisfaction, but please try to memorize it. It is one of the important formulas we see. Next question, a square plus b square plus c square plus 3 is equal to 2 into a minus b minus c. So yeah, so in this methods, no, we need to make sure that we try to find the value of a, b, c independently. So let's try to do it. A square minus 2a plus b square plus 2b plus c square minus 2c comes this side, it becomes plus 2c. We will keep 3 here only, equals to 0. This is what we got the equation. Now we will make this as a minus 1 whole square. Then we need to subtract it with 1, right? This can be written as b plus 1 whole square, right? This is again to be subtracted by 1. Then similarly c plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 3. We got lucky here. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 gets cancelled. Now again 3 square results should give a 0 value. Then a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 1. We just substitute this. 2a minus b is plus 1. I'm sorry, 2a is just 2 and c is minus 1. Gets cancelled. We get 2. This is the answer. Thank you for watching this video so far. If you want more content like this, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. As a bonus for watching this video, we shared a link in the description for a practice test on algebra. Please comment your marks and review the test.